Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the auto restart problem in your device OPPO Find X Pro and Find N. So if in this device Find X Pro and Find N you are having any problem like while using your device restarts again and again, you can easily fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we start it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video till end and you will learn how you can fix the problem. Let's watch it.